Remember when AI was going to cure cancer? Instead, it's mostly curing boredom, cranking out cat portraits and deepfakes. Cause progress, right? Here's the real headline, not just memes. AI is eating entry-level jobs. We are talking the stepping stones, customer service, and data entry, the junior analysis type jobs. They are now handed by the algorithms on Costco-sized servers. So what's going on? Rather than paying people, companies pay other companies. Who's cashing in? Not us. It's the chip makers and power companies. In fact, the electric bill is the real winner. Every chatbot, every image generator runs on massive data centers guzzling enough power to light a small city. And those companies drive up community electrical bill rates while getting tax exemptions. And in the end, the average consumer pays the price, you and me. It's a magic trick. Poof, your entry-level job disappears and your utility bill inches up. But it's not destiny. There are ways to push back. We can redesign entry-level work. Making AI the sidekick. We can reskill into new roles such as AI auditors. Overseers, prompt whisperers. Governments could even tax firms that swap workers for AI, then use that money to fund retraining, or frankly help people survive. Novel, right? And corporations could try responsibility for once. If AI saves you billions, consider reinvesting some of it in communities instead of stock buybacks. Yes, AI can one day cure cancer, accelerate science, transform medicine, but right now it mostly cures corporations of paying humans. So the question is, will we allow a future where corporations pay only corporations while the rest of us argue about the lights? By the way, it was AI. AI left the lights on.